Okay, today is day 90. It was a positive day, a 0.29%, which is decent, but boy did I work for those. Emotionally, anyways. So let's jump right into it. Amazon here. You can see we had a sharp sell-off, consolidation, bullish run-up. SPY did this weird thing where it had like 4 consecutive bullish candles out of nowhere. I'm like, what's happening? Did the Iran war end? So I go on Google, I try to find the news, and nothing. There's no news. All of a sudden, SPY's just like, boom! So it's crazy times to be trading. It's crazy times. But anyways, Amazon, I scalped a retest to this area here. Markets were just so unpredictable today that I was in and out of positions as fast as possible. So this was Dell. I entered the sharp rejection candle here, almost got stopped out, and then we got the trade. Same thing on Netflix. I actually entered on the sharp push down here, then we came down a little bit further, started pushing up, then rejected, and Netflix was funny because they just announced that they were going to do a silly Demon Hunters film or whatever, and they're going to have a McDonald's Netflix Demon Hunters party and figure out all that. So they rallied on that news, and it was contrary to the market. So this was bullish, very, very bullish. We ended up getting to the 90 MA, the blue line on that trade. That was all my retest breakout zones. Now this was the emotional grinding trade right here. So this is AMD. This red line on the top, you see the straight red line here, that's the downtrend, okay? We were pushing lower and quite far away from the downtrend. Now, I was looking for a retest of this white line, okay? I was willing to risk the biscuit on this trade. It ended up going in my favor, but it was not fun. So I entered the position on this red candle that pushed up, and then we pushed lower, and then this candle we pushed lower, and then we came back up here. I was expecting a little bit higher. No, I waited it out. Oh boy. So we pushed a little bit lower. I was so close to getting out of this trade. I was gonna let it go to about half of my daily loss because I wanted this white line, and I entered here. So that's not even a long ways away. I was hoping to capture the trend line if it was looking like it was snappy, but it wasn't. So grind, but we did end up getting that trade to the white line, the $214.32 mark. And then we exited the trade immediately because the market was selling off on SPY, and it's just choppy. So boom, sold off the very next candle. So happy about that one. Either way, today I earned it today. Just kidding. No, today was like, I have done better with less effort. My setups weren't like juicy today. It was a grind, but there's going to be some hard days. That was a hard day, not going to lie. So hope you guys have a good Thursday. See you tomorrow.